Hello friends, now the step-by-step solution for the mathematical expression by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for off, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. Now according to the BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now solve the first step, solve parentheses. Solve the math inside both set of parentheses first. So there is 18 divided by 3, the first parenthesis, and the second one is 6 plus 2. Now calculate 18 divided by 3 is equals to 6, and now 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. Now according to this expression becomes square bracket 6 cube plus curly bracket 4 multiplied by 8 square bracket of divided by 2. Now solve second step, solve the exponents, orders and the curly brackets. As you can see, calculate the cube power and the multiply inside the curly braces. So now first 6 cube is equals to 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 equals to 216. Now 4 multiplied by 8 equals to 32. So now the expression becomes 216 plus 32 and divided by 2. Now according to the third step, solve the square brackets. Add the numbers inside the square brackets. So there is a 216 plus 32 is equals to 248. And now the expression becomes 248 divided by 2. Now finally the fourth step says finally divide the remaining numbers. As you can see, 248 divided by 2. After dividing we get 124, and 124 is the final result. Now according to this expression, by using the BODMAS sequence, the final answer of this expression is 124. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.